Well, it's hot one out here in Ontario today. Holy jumping. I think it's hot all over Canada. I don't know about Canada, but for sure here in Ontario, it's like 33 degrees and humidity of 40. I've been to the lake once already, but I'm back here. We're heading to the lake again. Heading to the greenhouse because I have some exciting news. It's, what is it, middle of June, I guess now. And I've got my first cucumber. It's a mini me one. Let's turn this around. There's like 4 of them on there. I have not had a cucumber this early before, so what we're going to do, we're going to pick it here. We're going to munch on it quickly here, get some of the dirt off it. There's still more dirt. Okay, I'm going to go outside because it's really hot in here. Alright, here we go, first cucumber of the season, nice and early. It's really good, nice and moist, juicy. I like these small ones because you get them in one bite, or 2 or 3 bites. Nice little snack. Anyways guys, I'm going to finish this off. Just want to show you my first cucumber of the season. More to come. Hope you guys are having a great season so far. We'll see you out there.